When it comes to home organization, IKEA has long been a go-to source for versatile and stylish shelving solutions. Whether you're looking to maximize storage in a small apartment or add a touch of Scandinavian design to your living space, IKEA's range of shelving units offers something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top 30 IKEA shelving ideas, helping you make the most of your space. We'll also introduce an ad for a robust shelving solution that complements IKEA's offerings. 1. LUSTIGT Wall Shelf Unit. This shelf almost always fits. You can also choose to hang it vertically or horizontally depending on space and storage needs. Shallow shelves help you to use the walls in your home efficiently. They hold a lot of things without taking up much space in the room. Choose if you want to mount the shelf horizontally or vertically on the wall. 2. BERGSHULT Shelf. This white shelf allows you to both create a storage solution in a few simple steps and choose the style you prefer. One side edge is beveled and the other is smooth. Just turn it and you'll see. The wall shelf has one beveled and one smooth edge on the long side, so you can choose the side you want facing the room depending on which of the two different styles you like the most. 3. BAGGEBO Shelf Unit. Design with clean lines that matches your existing decor or other items in the BAGGEBO storage series. The neat look with shelves and a back panel in metal and mesh makes eye-catchers of what you store. The metal frame and mesh shelves make a nice and practical place for your books, decorations, and other things that you like. 4. MOSSLANDA. Of course, the things you like, you want on display. This display shelf is a perfect way to show paintings, photos, and other favorite items. Use several and create a whole wall with art and memories. The picture ledge has a special groove to keep smaller frames at the perfect angle. 5. LUSTIGT Wall Shelf. This wall shelf has room for both big and small things since the shelves can be moved sideways. There are even 3 small ladders where things can climb up and down. You can easily adapt the wall shelf based on needs and available space since the shelf can slide sideways. 6. VESKEN Shelf Unit. It fits in the smallest of bathrooms, but there's plenty of space on the shelves for all your toiletries, from shampoo bottles to soap and small items. Perfect in a small bathroom. Ideal for use in the shower since the shelves have holes in the bottom to let water drain out. 7. KALLAX Shelf Unit. Hang it on the wall or stand it on the floor. The KALLAX series adapts to taste, space, and budget. Personalize the shelving unit with inserts and boxes to make it suit your needs. Choose whether you want to hang it on the wall or stand it on the floor. 8. LINNMON Workstation. You can use these fittings to connect Lag Captain or LINNMON Tabletop to a KALLAX shelf unit of your choice. Choose whether you want to place it vertically or horizontally to use it as a shelf or sideboard. The table can be moved across the floor without worry because the plastic feet protect against scratching. 9. EKENABBEN Open Shelf Unit. Flexible and easy to place. EKENABBEN Shelving Unit has a simple design with open storage that helps you keep track of your things. Or you can customize it with boxes that suit your storage needs. The shelving section is made of untreated wood, so you can freshen it up with sandpaper or paint it to make it more personal. 10. LAIVA Bookcase. Open storage is just as much about reflecting who you are as organizing all your things. In this bookcase, you can display your favorite books and objects. The shallow depth is perfect for smaller spaces. 11. FJÄLLBO Shelf Unit. An airy and stable shelving unit that is perfect when you want to create a rustic look at home. The metal gives an industrial feel, and the solid wood makes every piece of furniture unique. This rustic shelf is made of metal and solid wood, which makes every piece of furniture unique. 12. HYLLIS Shelf Unit. Practical storage solution in galvanized steel for small spaces indoors or outdoors. Just as suitable on the balcony as in the hallway, kitchen, or bathroom. Sturdy, lightweight, and approved for wet areas. This storage unit is perfect for plant pots and plants and can easily be transformed into a greenhouse. 13. IVAR Shelf Unit. Since IVAR storage system is so good at what it does, it has faithfully served customers' needs across the home for over 50 years. Attics, living rooms, pantries, and bedrooms, they all love IVAR. Untreated solid pine is a durable natural material that can be painted, oiled, or stained according to preference. 14. JONAXEL Shelf Unit. Difficult to keep things neat and tidy? JONAXEL storage solution lets you use the space in smarter ways. Find a suitable combination and use it almost anywhere, even in humid bathrooms and laundry rooms. The shelf unit is durable, easy to clean, and protected from rust, as it is made of powder-coated steel. 15. JÄTTESTA Shelf Unit. Looking for a standout design that creates a statement? JÄTTESTA is a perfect choice, both for storage and display. The shape and materials have a sleek look, making your living room a place to love. This low shelving unit is both functional and beautiful, and is an original design with open shelves for display. 16. LODMAKARE Storage Combination. Showcase your favorite items on open shelves and tuck away any clutter behind doors. LODMAKARE's storage system has a light and airy design and can be adjusted in width to suit your unique need and space. This storage system allows you to frame your cherished items on open shelves and store things you want to keep out of sight, but within easy reach behind doors. 17. BOAXEL Shelving Unit. You can fit more than you think in a limited area. BOAXEL Wall-mounted storage system is easy to mount and takes care of all your clothes and shoes in the bedroom and in smaller walk-in wardrobes. BOAXEL interiors are easy to click onto or remove from the brackets, so you can easily customize, change, and move your solution whenever you want or need to. 18. Billy Bookcase with Drawer. Billy Bookcase is a beloved icon that, thanks to its versatility, can be used in many ways at home. The drawer with casters turns the lower part into closed storage for everything from cords to a yoga mat. The drawer gives you space for things like board games, cords, fitness equipment, and other items you often have out but like to hide away when not in use. 19. BOAXEL Shelving Unit. Sweaters, hats, bags, and boxes. There's room for everything on BOAXEL Shelf. Available in different sizes and styles, so you can create a personalized solution with BOAXEL wall-mounted storage system. BOAXEL can be used in humid areas of the home, like in the laundry room. 20. EKBY ALEX Shelf with Drawers. With EKBY ALEX, you can maximize storage in even the smallest of spaces. Combine with hooks to solve your hallway storage needs in a flash. Don't forget to complete with brackets that match your style. EKBY ALEX allows you to keep your favorite items visible on the open shelf and hide away things you need close at hand in the drawers. 21. EKET Wall-mounted storage combination. An asymmetrical storage solution that becomes personally yours when filled with your belongings. It's edginess in a box. Create an asymmetric or unexpected storage solution and fill it with your things. Stack and combine as you please. Fits in any space and has infinite possibilities. 22. JÄTTESTA Shelf Unit. Looking for a standout design that creates a statement? JÄTTESTA is a perfect choice, both for storage and display. The shape and materials have a sleek look, making your living room a place to love. This tall shelving unit is both functional and beautiful, and is original in design with lots of open shelves for display. 23. OMAR One-Section Shelving Unit. OMAR Shelf Unit makes your pantry look like a professional kitchen. But it isn't only a kitchen dweller, it works equally well across the home. Add sections and adjust the shelf heights to fit your needs. OMAR can also be used in bathrooms and other damp areas indoors. 24. BERGSHULT Wall Shelf Combination. Create your own personal wall shelf using BERGSHULT brackets. They are designed to fit well together when you connect two brackets in a larger combination, and can also be mounted to create different expressions. 25. IVAR Shelving Unit with Underframe. Since IVAR storage system is so good at what it does, it has faithfully served customers' needs across the home for over 50 years. In attics, living rooms, pantries, and bedrooms, they all love IVAR. You can personalize the furniture even more by staining or painting it your favorite color. 26. KALLAX Shelf Unit. Flexible, durable shelving unit that is great in bathrooms, hallways, or on balconies, with space for everything from plant pots and tools to shampoos and shoes. Perfect to combine with the KALLAX cabinet. 27. BOAXEL Shelving Unit with Cabinet. This storage system is our interpretation of heavy metal, sturdy, durable, and flexible. Also easy to assemble, complete as needed, and is robust enough to withstand moisture, dirt, and heavy loads. 28. HYLLIS Shelf Unit. HYLLIS storage system is sturdy and strong enough for even the heaviest loads in your garage, basement, or attic. Keep the solid wood untreated or stain, paint, or wax as you like to make it more personal. 29. BOAXEL Wall Shelf Combination. Practical storage for tight spaces in your garage or storage room. This combination is perfect when you want a complete solution with removable shelves and a pegboard for various tools. 30. BOAXEL wardrobe combination, thick coats, winter hats and boots or jackets, hats and sandals, regardless of weather and season. There is room for all of your outdoor clothing in BOAXEL wall-mounted storage system. You can always adapt or complete this open storage solution as needed.